Excuse me. Welcome back to a new video. In today's video, I finally received Madam Glam's Viva Glam collection. This is their latest collection, but it's been out a little while now, but I can't remember why. It went out of stock pretty quickly, but it's back now. And they've managed to send me it. So I'm just going to show you the colours quickly. I've already swatched them. This first one is called Dolce. I hope I'm saying them right because they're Mikasa what? Mitako S Mitako. I don't know how you say it. I really like this orange. It's very, very nice. And then we have got Passion. Which is kind of like a muted red. And then we have got A Amor. I don't know if I'm saying it right. This one's nice. It's like a peachy coral. Peachy coral, yeah. And then we've got, oh, this one I can pronounce. Painting Dreams. So this is a grey, but it's got a green undertone to it. I can see green anyway. I do like a grey. The next one is Frida. This one is it's definitely pink, but I'm going to say it's kind of like a reddy pink. But it is pink. It's not red. It's more. It's definitely pink. And then we've got Vida Loca, which is probably my top favourite colour from. No, it's one of the top. There's actually the next one. Oh, I don't know how you say this one. Besame. I don't know. But this one is absolutely blooming gorgeous. This one and Vida Loca are probably my favourites. Oh, this one's nice as well. Love to Fiesta. This is a really nice green. I don't have a green like this anywhere, I don't think. And I love it. And then, oh, yes. I think I'm saying this right. Querida. I don't know. This yellow is beautiful. So, yeah, I think those last four are probably my favourites from the whole collection. But I'm going to do a design, and I was going to use Rosy Nude, but we all know I use that too much, so I decided to use Lotus from this was from Madam Glam's nude collection they released a while back. The nudes in their nude collection are more on the sheer side, so they're good for doing things like Frenches or natural nails and stuff like that. But I'm going to use it to, yeah, it's going to just pretend it's kind of like the natural nail underneath. But this is going to be our nude colour on the nails. And I'm going to do a marbled, well, you would have seen the thumbnail. It's a marbly free edge. But I saw a set. I'll put the picture up here. And it's been on my phone for ages because, you know, I love a marble. And the colours in this new collection, I just thought would be ideal to do this, to recreate this design with. So that's what I'm going to do. So this is my second coat. Remember, Madam Glam gel polishes cure in an LED lamp for 30 seconds. And I do have a discount code, NatMug30. You can get 30% off any of their colours, which is a huge saving. It's a bargain. And they do ship worldwide. They are in America. They ship worldwide. If you're in the UK and you purchase, I only ever have to wait about a week. Occasionally I've had to wait a couple of weeks, but that's been very rare. And they've sent me a lot of packages. And I think probably twice I've had to wait a little longer. But these are the colours. Oh, and you never have to pay, or I have never had to pay customs fees on these as well. These are the colours that I'm going to use for this set of nails. You're going to need the blooming gel as well. If you don't have the blooming gel, give the base coat a try. It'll probably do I do prefer the blooming gel, but if you don't have the blooming gel, use the base coat. So you just want to put a layer of the blooming gel over all the nails. Don't make it thick. You don't want it to flood and stuff. So just a nice even coat. Just make sure everything's covered. And then I'm going to carry on putting the colours that I'm going to be using on my palette in a line together. Now, I thought I'd do two lots. I thought I'd do 2 rows because I thought I'm going to need a lot of the gel. I actually didn't. I could have got away with one line. or one row, sorry, of the colours. I also wanted to put white through it, but I forgot to add the white at this point. So you'll see in a minute, I add the white separately. So I've got all the colours that I want to use. There we go. Then I'm going to use my ombre brush to pick up the gel, and I'm going to scoop through it. And then I decided to scoop through it twice because I thought that would make the colours more marbled. And then from the free edge, if you're doing this on you probably have to work the other way around because you're probably doing it on a real person. It's a little bit, I mean, you can turn the hand upside down, but it's just as easy to, I'm just doing it because it's a tip. So what you want to do is you just really want to float the colour over, the gel polish over, and don't put masses on because you don't want to end up, sometimes when you put gel polish on a nail and it's on too thick, it won't cure properly. What will happen is the top layer of the gel polish will cure, and then underneath it won't cure because the gel's too thick, and you'll end up with wrinkling, and then that can peel, and you just don't want that if you're doing it on a client. If you really want to, using a gloved finger, you can let the gel settle and then press your finger up against the side of the gel before you cure it, and that will just remove any excess gel as well. So that was another way to stop the thickness. So all of these I am just putting at the free edge. There we go. And then I'm going to leave them for a minute. You see the first ones I've done have started to bloom. I want the other two to do that as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just sort of clear up as I go. And look, I just wanted to show you that because I thought that was really pretty. I've got a marble on my wipe as well. Okay, so there we go. I'm going to pop those in now as they are. And then once they're out, I'm going to put the perfect white on my palette. Not too much, I only want a little bit. And I'm literally going to use my Nail Sugar Natalie Mugridge detailer brush, which is this beauty here. It's super fine. It's actually ultra fine. It's a 000 ultra fine brush. I absolutely love it. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the white. I do come back up in a minute. Hang on. I'm going to put the white on the nail, but I'm going to follow like the lines of the colours because I didn't want it to look too out of place. But I just feel like the white breaks it up a little bit. And I didn't want to put masses on. I just wanted to put like a little bit on. I mean, you can put as much as you want on, but that's literally all I'm going to do. And then I'll do the same on all the other nails, and I'll give those a 30-second cure, and we are here. So for these nails, I'm going to use the Velvet Matte Top Coat. I absolutely love this. We're going to do all the nails matte top coated. So you can see now, can you see the Lotus gel polish? You can see it's not completely opaque. So if you want a sheer nude, do check out their nude collection. They must do it still. If they don't, some of the colours will still be on the website, I'm sure. But this one is Lotus. Okay, so once you have covered all your nails, pop them in the lamp for 30 seconds. And they're going to come out beautifully matte finished. Oh, yes, they are. I'd missed down the edges. I hadn't got the edges very well. There we go. Okay, they're going to go into the lamp now. And then I just felt like one of the nails needed I was going to put one crystal on all of the nails. And then I thought, well, no, I'll just do one nail with a little sort of crystal cluster on. And I've never used these flat back baguettes from Preciosa, so I thought I'd give them a go. All the crystals I'm showing you here I get from the Crystal Parade, and I do have a discount code which is NAT5. I'm using the Zodiac raindrops. These are the 6mm AB raindrops, and I just grabbed some Preciosa round flatback ABs. I've got different sizes in that one. I'm just going to add these to the nail as well. I use the Crystal Totalist Gem Glue to adhere these, and then I do go out a shot So I do just cut it out because there's no point me showing you it because you can't see it anyway. This bit, I was like, if I turn it upside down, I was like, oh my gosh, that's an Xbox controller. Oh dear, sad, aren't I know. So I'm just going to add a couple more crystals. I'm going to add some at the top here, and then I'll give those a 60-second cure. Can you see? That is it done. Oh, I went a bit too quick. There we go. There it is. Ta-da! So that's the finished set. I hope you like them. If you did, please leave me a like. If you haven't already, do consider subscribing. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. Don't forget I have a 30% off code for Madam Glam, which is NatMug30, and a 5% off code for Crystal Parade Nat5. I think that's it. Yeah, I don't upload Wednesdays, so I'll see you beautiful on Thursday. Got to get another set of nails done. In fact, I've got to get 2 done because I haven't got anything for Friday either. Anyway, have an amazing Tuesday evening and Wednesday, and I'll see you on Thursday. Bye, love you all.